This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Nicely updated and cared for home with a great room floor plan including a large living room with vaulted ceilings that flows into a nice dining room area and then to a huge kitchen with lots of storage and counter space. Large primary bedroom with a full bath and a walk-in closet. Outside you will find a nice fenced yard, a tool shed and a carport. Located close to a playground area for kids in the highly desirable Silent Creek manufacturing home community. Newer heat pump, with air conditioning, and newer roof too. Current space rent is $815 per month. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.